Hi, good morning. What's up, everybody? It's December the 17th. It's about 10:30 a.m. and it's about 35, 36 degrees, somewhere in that neighborhood today in West Tennessee. So a little chilly morning, late morning. I've got the 88 sitting here idling, sort of warming up this morning. I like to start them up, at least every once in a while, let them warm up to operating temperature, just to kind of warm them up. But the update on this little truck, I've had this little truck for quite a while now, and it's been, there's Shady, one of our cats, roaming around looking all sneaky. And what he's doing, he's trying to sneak up on that other cat over there, other tomcat. But anyway, I've had this truck quite a while now, and this thing has always been a real good running truck. Been very reliable, good mechanical condition overall, just a good running little truck. But recently I took it on like about a 30, 40 mile little road trip, just a little mini road trip, which that's about all I ever drive, these little Rangers, 30, 40 miles. I try to keep them local, just little local trips or whatever. But anyway, 30, 40 mile trip. I get back to the house and I notice it's developed a fairly significant misfire. It's just sitting here idling. I mean, it's not, I've heard them idle a lot worse. I don't know if you can, she's got a little bit of a shake to her. It might have smoothed out just a little bit sitting here idling. I'm thinking it's probably going to be something like the fuel filter or something like that. I haven't tried any Lucas or any kind of fuel injector cleaner or anything like that. You can sort of see by the way it's puffing out the steam this morning that you can tell by that how it's got a little misfire, the way it's puffing it out there. And you can feel the misfire. And like I said, it's never really had any issues with that. So what I'm just going to go ahead and do with this one here in the next month or so is I'm just going to go ahead and do a tune-up on it, have a tune-up done on it. I'm just going to mirror pretty much what I did on the 89. I'm going to replace or have replaced the plugs and wires, the fuel filter, air cleaner filter on this is new. I just put a new Motorcraft filter on it a couple months ago. So, but anyway, plugs, wires. Go ahead and do the valve cover gaskets because I know they're leaking. While he's got all that off, he's going to probably go ahead and do the new plenum gasket and distributor cap and rotor and all that. Just get all that taken care of, just to tune up on it. Hopefully that'll take care of it. Like I said, I'm guessing it's probably going to be something. I'm hoping it's going to be something simple, but I'm going to get all that done regardless. Get her back to running. Like I said, guys, I don't drive these things a whole lot, pretty much on the weekends. I can actually smell the gas. She's running kind of rich. I can smell the fuel, so it's going to be probably a fuel filter or fuel injector or something. But anyway, I know my mechanic will get all that sorted out. And again, I've started buying some stuff for it. I've got the Motorcraft spark plugs. I think I got the wires and the valve cover gaskets. And so I'll buy a lot of that stuff and go ahead and take it to the mechanic when I drop the truck off. And now a couple things I'll just go ahead and let him get for it, cap and rotor, stuff like that. I'll just go ahead and let him get that put on there. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to do a brief update on this little truck. Like I said, I've never really had many issues with this truck. She has developed a rough idle. I'll probably this weekend I might get it out and just ease it down the road. Like I said, just sitting here idling. You can see the misfire right there, and then she's got a little shake to her from the misfire. And then when it's on the road, you can really tell it because it really wants to kind of spit and sputter. It'll still get down the road, but it wants to sputter. But a couple months, we'll have it sorted out, have it running good. Again, guys, I just did a video not long ago on the little update on the 89, and so far so good. She's running great, no issues there. I'm fixing to go over there and I'm gonna go there, start her up, let her run a little bit, and I'll probably go ahead and crank the Dodge and the Buick and let them run just a minute, because I hadn't drove them in a few days. Of course, I'm driving the Explorer today, so it gets driven daily. And then a little work car over here. I'll have to start it too, I guess, because it hadn't been started in a few days. But anyway, guys, just an update on the 88 GT. Stay tuned. A couple months, hopefully, maybe sooner, we'll get the tune-up done on this one, and hopefully we'll have a good update video of it running nice and smooth again and back out cruising. Anyway, guys, have a good rest of the day. Try to stay warm. Again, it's like 35, 36 degrees out here, and my hands are getting cold. So we'll catch you on the next video.